Well, today is the day. I'm taking the GMAT. I had a bad night though. I kept having bad dreams about running out of time. So I woke up, I grabbed my flashcards. I thought going over those flashcards might help, but I think it made it worse. I'm not looking forward to this test. A certain company charges $6 per package to ship packages weighing less than 2 pounds each. A certain company charges $6 per package to ship packages weighing less than 2 pounds each. I wish I hadn't told all my friends that today's the GMAT. They're all going to be texting me tonight asking how it went. My girlfriend scored a 650. What if I score less? Is she gonna dump me? My parents said if I don't get a 700, they'll kick me out of the house. It is my great honor to host Dr. Mike Claybor on our channel for an informal chat about test anxiety, specifically as it relates to the GMAT. Please join us on December 15, 2022 at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. I'll leave a comment below with a link so you can check what time that is for you in your part of the world. And I invite you to share your questions ahead of time just by putting them in the comments below as well. The thing about test anxiety is a lot of people don't realize that they have it until it's too late, when they end up getting 100 or even 200 points below their practice test scores. Dr. Claybor has worked with hundreds, if not thousands, of GMAT test takers over the past couple of decades, and he has a lot of experience to share with us. So I'm really looking forward to this event, and I hope to see you there.